Good evening all. Good evening, shut up.
Yes, sir.
Good evening,
Good evening, sir. Yeah.
Diksha. Good evening, Anujip. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Wait for a minute. Let them join. Yes. Good evening, all of you. So today I just have decided to have a quiz, online quiz. So are you guys ready? On
Yes, sir.
trigonometry.
Sure.
Sir, on which chapter?
On trigonometry, the chapter which we have solved earlier.
Yes, sir.
So please take your papers, pen and paper, rough sheets. I mean, whatever. Please, everyone should turn on your camera. It is not that key issue just turning off your camera and do whatever you want. It's not that queen. So please, everyone must turn on your camera before starting the quiz. So I'll be sharing the link to you all now. So yeah. So tomorrow, probably these days it's been a while actually since we conducted a quiz. So I'll be conducting two quizzes back to back now. So which includes 30 questions, 20 questions one quiz and 30 questions another quiz. So make sure that you are going to finish the 20 questions within 20 minutes and those 10 questions like 10 minutes. So total 30 minutes quiz will be there. So 30 minutes, 30 questions. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone should turn on your camera. Make it fast. Make it fast, please. Guys, it is a revision session, right? So we started revising. We started revising. So make everyone take your pens, paper, turn on your camera. Don't turn off. Those who are not turning off your camera, I'm not going to allow. See, in class 9, what happened is I just removed the students. Those who are not, listening me. I mean, if I ask you to turn on your camera, those who are not, turning on the camera, I just throw them out. So if I do that, so guys will not join back again. For joining again, I have to end the quiz and I have to restart. Then only you will be able to join actually. Please don't make me do that. Turn on your camera, everyone. Take your papers. Sira, Yogesh, turn on your camera. Tanvi, Tushar, Amrita, Udbhav, Diksha, Anujip.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Take your papers. Yes, Udbhav, are you here? Udbhav,
Yes, sir.
turn on your camera. Diksha, are you here?
Yes, sir. Just give me a minute.
I'm ready with my link. Sharing the link to you all. Yes. Udbhav, Udbhav, are you here, Udbhav? Yes. So I'm sharing this link to you all. Yes, you may join now. Everyone must join the quiz immediately. See, you can't copy from Google, please. You can't copy from the Google. So 20 minutes, 20 questions. Now the time is 6:25. So I'll be winding it up. I'll be starting at 6:25 time now. I'll be starting at 6:27. So yeah, Steve, turn on your camera and you're going to have quiz now. Steve Benjamin. So take your, yeah, I can see.
It's on trigonometry, right?
Yeah, that based on the topic which we have solved earlier. From last week fully we had a trigonometry only, right? We had solved beautiful questions. I have given you homework as well.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Chalo, I have shared the link to you all. Please, have you joined? Let me see how many of you have joined. Only 7 of you have joined. Only, please give your names. You can't give, please different names. Don't give different names. Give your names simply. That's it. So total 9 members has to join. Only 7 is there. Who else had to join? Diksha, Amrita, Tanvi, Anudip, Shira, Shara,
Sir, it's taking time for me.
Tushar didn't join. Okay. Who else? Who else didn't join? Steve, Tushar.
Yes, sir.
Have you
Sir,
joined?
for 1 second, can I turn off my camera?
Please make it fast so that I can start a quiz for everyone at a time.
Yes.
Steve, what happened, Steve? Joined?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, I am there, sir.
No, did you get the link? No, you didn't get the link actually.
Yeah, I joined late, sir. There was internet
Okay,
connection.
okay, so I shared the link again to everyone. Please join through that link. Yeah. Someone has joined. Who's that? Tushar has joined. Yes, Steve, join me so that I'll start that. Join. Steve, we are waiting for you. Okay, so let me start. I'm starting the quiz. Guys, ready? Make it fast. So I'm going to wind up at sharp 6:47. Make it fast. Yes, done. I'm running the quiz. Everyone done, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mohammad Shadaf first, Amrita second, Tushar third. Okay, very good. Congratulations. Yeah. Okay, Shadab 100%. Very good. Amrita 90%. Very good. Tushar 90%. Very good. Anudip 85%. Very good. Tanvi 75%. Great. Steve 50. Udbhav 40. Sira 45. May I know why, Sira, why are you so down? Like, why you got so, like, less marks?
Sir,
See,
I did not practice well, sir.
okay, no, look at this here. Listen to me first. Everyone should talk in the class. If I'm asking you a question, make sure that you guys are talking to me so that then only I can come to know, yes, where you are lacking with, what topic you are lacking with. So based upon that, we can work and just, decide. All right. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, Steve. Sorry, Yogesh.
Sir, I did not practice well.
Okay. Why? No, we had exams, right? Like, we had, sorry, I just gave practice questions, right? Practice questions,
Yes,
to you,
sir.
right? Huh.
Sir, that class I was absent. I went out, sir.
Okay. Yeah, you was absent. Then didn't you go to the recording videos? Hmm?
No, sir, no.
No. Okay, fine. So hereafter, like, every day we will be having a quiz. Every day we'll be conducting a quiz. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll
All right.
practice.
So, like, not only one. So on trigonometry, first we solved questions. Then I just I'm conducting a quiz right now, right? So 20 questions quiz I've conducted now. So one more quiz I'm going to conduct so that you can just like engage with the multiple type of questions. Okay. So yeah,
Okay, sir.
let me share that link as well. All right. Are you ready?
So now we are having another quiz.
Yeah. Are you guys ready?
Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. So I'm
Yes.
going to give a bit less time right now. Thank you. Just a minute. Wait for a few minutes. So totally, just join me quickly. Make it fast. So first, like in both the quizzes, Shadab got first, Amrita and Anujit. Okay, okay, guys. Like next time everyone should get like about 90%. Go through your mistakes. So this is very simple actually. First answer, option A. So what is this? Option B, not B. Secant square minus tan square A is equal to 1 actually, but tan square A minus secant square is minus 1. How many have you done this clearly? See,
I did, sir.
okay. So 1 plus tan square
Sir,
A is
because
equal
of
to what?
speed, I did these simple questions wrong.
See, that is what you have to observe the question properly. So 1 plus tan square is nothing but what? Secant square A, very simple. So cot square A minus 1 is nothing but what? Cot square, cosec square A. So basically, what is the identity we have? Cosec square minus cot square A is equal to 1, right?
Sir,
So
this
from
question is actually wrong. It should be 1 plus cot square A.
cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. So it should be 1 plus cot square A. Then only it is going to be cosec square A is going to be correct. So option, here there should be plus actually. So yeah, cosec minus cot is equal to 1. Yeah, there should be plus. But still people have, done it clearly. But one member, like, one have given secant square A, another choose tan square A. Okay, no problem. So sin 90 minus A cos A option is very simple. This is a very, like, value of sin A. If angle is A increased, क्या होता है? Increases. How many of you?
0 to 1.
No, basically look at it. Sin 0 is 0, sin 30 is what? 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5 is, sin 45 is what? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, if you just go with, again it will be in, like, in terms of 0. Sin 60 root 3 by 2, so 1.732 divided by 2, again it will be 0. Sin 90 is what? So 0 to 1. So 0 to 1 it is increasing. So if A is increased, क्या होता है? Increase होता है. Look at this. So cot A, if angle A is decreased, वो क्या होता है? Cot A. Cot is nothing but what? Tan, right? 1 by tan. So cot 0, what is the cot 0? Just take only two angles. Cot, what is the cot 0? What is cot 0?
Infinite.
Infinite. What is cot 30?
Root 3.
Root 3. So it is increasing, it's decreasing, not increasing. Infinite से घट रहा है. All right, root 3. Root 3 value is 1.732. Infinite 2, again 1.732 I'm getting. So cot 45 is what? 1. So 1.732 to 1, again it is decreases. Very simple. That's how we can imagine actually. Clear?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Next, if sin theta is equal to cos theta, the value, what is the value? Of course, यार दोनों कब बराबर होता
45.
है? When they are going to equal, 45. Very simple. And if tan theta is equal to cot 30 plus theta, the value of theta, 30 plus theta. If tan theta is equal,
Actually, it should be 15, right, sir? Tan 45 is equals to cot 45.
1 second. 1 second.
No, sir,
Cot,
it's correct because
yeah.
then that would be tan 15 is equal to cot 45.
Look at it here. If you substitute, if you just go with trial and error, like verifying the option. First, suppose if you substitute theta, tan 60 is going to give me what? Root 3. Isn't it? Root 3. Tan 60 is going to be root 3, and tan cot 90 is going to give me what? Cot 90. Hello?
Yes, sir.
0? Cot
Yes,
90.
sir.
Tan, so 1 by infinite 0, right? So it's not possible. 30 substitute karo, tan 30 kitna? What is tan 30? 1 by root 3. And cot 90 how much? So cot 60 how much?
1 by root.
1 by root 3. So 30 should be the right option. You can verify by options. All right. So cot theta into tan 90 minus theta into secant minus secant 90. Cot theta. Tan 90 minus theta is what? 90 minus theta, cot theta. So cot square theta minus secant 90 minus theta. Secant 90 minus theta what? Cot square minus cosec square. So minus 1. Minus 1 plus, guys, what 1 second.
So, sir, cot square minus cosecant square.
Cot square theta minus cosec square theta. Why? Because secant 90 minus theta gives you cosec square, right? So cosec theta. So cosec into cosec square. What is this question again? 1 second. Again, oh, 1 second. Root 13 tan 12. Oh, still, what is the question actually?
Sir, it's root 3 tan 12 tan 60 multiplied by tan 78.
Okay, tan 78. Tan 78 can be written as what? Cot 12.
Yes, sir. Then
Guys,
tan 12 and cot 12 will
tan
cancel.
12 will be getting a tan 78. Sorry, tan 78 can be written as what, guys?
Cot 12.
Why? Because tan 90 minus 78 gives you cot 12. Cot 12, tan 12 will get cancelled together. How? Since they are reciprocal to each other. Whenever you have, for suppose, if you have side by side, tan theta into cot theta will be always 1. Why? Because since they are reciprocal to each other. Okay? So that's how you can solve. If you simplify that, you will get 2 as your answer. Any doubts? This is a good question actually. Guys, any doubts?
No, sir.
Now sine to the power of 6 plus cos to the power of 6 minus 3 into, already we have solved this question, I think.
Yes, sir, we did.
Yes,
We
sir.
did. So look at this, guys. The questions which we have solved, they are very, very important. So directly 0. Now this is also very good question. Secant square 54 minus cot square 54. Secant square 54 can be written as what? How did you solve this question?
Sir, I took it as secant square 54 minus cot square 36 can be written as
Yes.
tan square 54. So that would get cancelled.
Very good.
That would be
Why?
0, right?
Very good. Very good. Cot square
And then
36.
just use complementary angles over and over.
Yeah. So cot square 36 can be written as 90 minus 54. Isn't it? 90 minus 54. That gives you what? And cosec square 57 and tan square 33 degrees plus 2 sin square 32. Secant 52, how did you write? Secant 90 minus 38. So it becomes what? It becomes what?
Cosecant
Cosecant
38, then
38.
that's 1 by sine
1
square
by
30.
yeah, sin square 45 is 1 by 2. So everything, if you can everything, like if you simplify everything, 1 plus root 3 is your answer. 1 plus root 3. Guys, any doubts here? Shall I solve this question? Let me solve this and show it to you all if you have any doubts. Okay, let's solve. Very good question. One second, let me connect the writing pad here. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
So secant square 54 here, right? Secant square 54. Now cot square 36 can be written as what? 90 minus 54. So cosec square minus cosec square 57 degrees. Tan square 36 can be written as what? Tan square as it is. So 90 minus 57 plus 2 times of sin square 38. Let it be as it is. Now secant square 52 can be written as 90 minus 38 minus sine square 45. Okay, secant square 54 as it is I'm writing. So cot square 90 minus 54 how much?
Tan square 54.
Tan square 54. Very good. Look at this 54 degrees here. No. So cosec square 57 degrees. Tan 90 minus theta. Tan 90 minus theta. Cot square 57 degrees. Isn't it? Plus 2 sine square 38 degrees into.
Sir, are you writing it?
Yeah, I'm
No.
writing. Can you see screen?
Yes, sir. Not.
Now it's visible.
Okay, cosec square 38 minus sine 45. How much? 1 by sine square 45 is nothing but what? 1 by 2. Why? Because sine 45 is 1 by root 2, right? So square I have. So that will be
Yes.
the answer. So now look at this here. Secant square theta minus tan square theta, it becomes 1. Tan cosec square theta minus cot square theta becomes 1. Plus 2 into this will get cancelled together. Plus 2 minus half. So look at this here. Basically, how do you need to calculate this one? Don't take LCM and all. Don't do that. See what you have to do here. 1 minus half. Half plus 2. How much? Half plus 2, 2.5, which is nothing but 5 by 2. Is it clear?
Sir.
Yes.
So 3 minus half. 3 minus half, how much? 2.5 only, right? Which gives you 5 by 2. 3 minus half. 3 minus half, 2.5, right? Guys, 3
Yes,
minus
sir.
half. 3 minus half. 5 by 2. Which option is going to be correct here? 5 by 2. 5 by 2. We don't have option 5 by 2.
Sir, I too got 5 by 2, 2.5. So what I
Look at it here.
rather
Yes, sir.
did is
1.732. So
Yes,
it will
sir,
be
that's what I did as well.
2.732. So it is approximately like nearly 2.7, right? So if you choose the first option, 1.732 divided by 2, it will be 2.732 by 2. It will be 1 point around something. So second option should be correct.
Yes, sir.
That's how we can decide actually. But no, he should have given accurately. But yeah, still no problem. Option 5 by 2 should be correct actually, but option something different given here. How many of you got 5 by 2?
I got 5 by 2.
Guys, if ABC are angles of triangle ABC, ABC are angles of triangle ABC, then prove that cosec square B plus C by 2 minus cot. How many have you done this?
Yes, sir, I got it.
How did you approach? Tell me the approach.
Yes, sir. First, it says that the angles are part of a triangle. So we know that A plus B plus C is 180 degrees. Then just transpose A to the other
Very
side.
good. Very
B plus
good.
C is equal to 180 minus A.
Yeah.
And then divide
Very
by
good.
2.
Got it. That should be the approach. Guys, how many of you look at this here? Sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Very good. Shut up. Guys, how many of you done this? Tanvi, did you understand this better? Amrita,
No, sir,
did you?
I got it wrong.
You got it wrong. Where is the question? I want to hear here. Look at this. What he has given. ABC of triangle ABC, right? There you go. First of all, let us not see. Sum of all angles in a triangle is what? A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So he has given B plus C here. So B plus C is what? 180 minus 180 degrees minus A. Okay. So now substitute here. Cosec square B plus C how much? 180 minus A by 2 minus tan square A. What is A here? 180 minus B plus C. Isn't it? 180 minus B plus C by 2. Okay. So cosec square minus tan square. What is the option he has given? Prove that is equal to what? Prove that question is equal to. Now look at this here. How can I just cosec square theta minus B plus C can be written as what? B plus C can be written as what? Hello?
So 180 minus A.
Tan square A 180 minus B plus C is equal to what? 180 minus A. ठीक है? So divided by 2. So this will get cancelled now. So cosec square 180 degrees by 2 minus tan square of minus a by 2. So what is the tan of minus a? Options will be
Sir, we
given.
could just change cosecant square 180 minus a by 2 as cosecant square 90 minus a by 2, which would change it to secant square. Then we could just
Yes. Yeah, look at this here. Tan square. Look at this here. You can write cosec as in terms of a by 2. That is also right. Look at this here. Guys, cosec square here 90 minus a by 2. Cosec 90 minus theta is what?
secant.
Look at this. Cosec 90, very good option. Very good. Cosec 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. So secant minus a by 2. Minus 2. Look at this here. What is the angle here? Minus a by 2, minus a by 2. So secant square minus tan square is what? 1. Very simple. Clear?
Yes.
This is how we can do it. Is it clear, people?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Very good question too. Next question. One then cos square theta plus cos theta plus cos to the power of 4 theta. How many have you done this? See here.
I do that.
Yeah. Here sin theta given. So sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 given. So cos square jagah mein what should I write here? 1 second. Let me. Yeah, look at this here. So here this is what given. So cos square can be written as what? 1 minus sin square theta plus this can be written as cos square theta whole square. So 1 minus sin square theta. Here 1 minus sin square theta whole square again. So 1 minus sin square theta can be written as sin theta here. Guys, isn't it? From this can I write sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta?
Yes, sir.
All right. So 1 minus sin square theta can be written as sin theta here plus sin theta whole square. ठीक है? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. So sin theta plus sin square theta is क्या होता है? Sin theta
1.
plus sin square theta. Sin theta plus sin square theta.
It's given in the question
It's given in the question as what? 1.
as 1.
It is already given as 1. See? Sin theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 given in the question. ठीक है? All right. This is what
Yes.
the answer should be. So this can be solved what? How can you solve it? So same thing. Look at it here. Tan theta is asking for. So sin square theta plus cos square theta. So make sure that you are converting 7 sin square theta in terms of cos. How can you write sin square theta? 1 minus cos square theta. Just do that. You will get cos theta value, isn't it? From that right angle triangle, get the tan theta value. How many have you done by that method? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Very simple, guys. 7 sin square theta. 7 sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. So that entire equation becomes in terms of cos. From that, you can get the cot value, make a right angle triangle, apply Pythagoras theorem, get the tan theta. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So that's how we can do, and this is what the session is all about. Hope you enjoyed the session, today's session. Okay, guys, how was the do you want me to conduct on regular basis this type of quizzes? Yeah, in quizzes, there will be easy, tough, medium questions will be there. Guys, do you want me to conduct the quiz on regular basis or not?
Yes, sir, sure.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.